Nowadays, laptops are more than just tech accessories. We heavily rely on them for our work, both at home and in the office. While working with the laptops, we may face some kind of problems like neck and muscle discomfort, which can be a bit of a problem when you're trying to focus on the work at hand. But luckily, we have a best laptop stand from Proffisy, which is both portable and lightweight. Proffisy laptop stand is an adjustable computer stand which is ergonomically designed, and it is portable tablet stand compatible with most of the laptops. The package includes aluminum alloy adjustable laptop stand and a portable storage bag with user manuals. If you are facing any kind of difficulties, you can go through the user manuals. The laptop stand comes with a multi-angle adjustable design. The laptop stand provides 6-speed adjustable height ranging from 5.5 to 15.5 cm. You can adjust to the comfortable operating angle based on your actual need. The ergonomic design of this laptop stand makes working with the laptop healthy, and it relieves from neck pain, shoulder pain, and even spinal pain. This is one of the most compact and portable laptop stand that you can find in the market. It has got creative portable foldable design which makes it easy to carry, and with the portable storage bag to make it easy to carry on, suitable for laptop size up to 15.6 inches. This portable tablet stand is machine made from aluminum alloy material with rubber footing to prevent slippage and scratch damage to tables or desks, and the surface of the bracket is covered with a rubber protective stickers to avoid from risking of any scratches to your laptop. This laptop stand raises your laptop, thus offers an open space. Airflow is increased significantly around the areas of the laptop and also prevents your laptop from overheating during use. One more amazing thing about this laptop stand is it fits for all the laptop types ranging from 10 to 15.6 inches. Any kind of laptop can easily fit into it. But the only downside is the gaming laptops, which are bigger in size, may have some problem with this laptop stand. So this is all about the Proffisy brand aluminum alloy adjustable laptop stand. If you want to buy the laptop stand, links are given in the description. Please hit the like button, do share this video and subscribe my channel.